Here's what to do 24 hours after you win the lottery. Step 1, shut the up. Don't tell nobody you won. Don't announce it, nothing. Keep it a secret. Step 2, find an attorney, preferably an estate and trust attorney. Don't let them give you to somebody who's just an associate or junior or whatever. Make sure they're a big player and been there for a while, got experience. Also, make sure that they are not tied to anybody locally or somebody you know or something like that. You want to be separate. This is your personal financial matter. Next, do not accept the annuity, which means getting payments every so often. Take the large lump sum. The annuity is never going to beat inflation, and it's going to hurt your pockets. I know you're going to lose a lot of it because you also have to pay taxes too, but that large lump sum is better than annuities. Also, decide what you're going to give to your family and friends right now. Don't wait. 20%, 15 to 20 is a good number. Don't change your mind. That's what you have for them. That's it. These are people that have never had that type of money before, so put it in a trust and an estate so that you can dictate how they spend that money and for what. Trust me, it's a headache when you got people asking you for money all the time because they know you got it. I gotta say this again. You have to pay taxes on that money just because you got it. So don't start spending it before you get it. Make sure you cut out what's for taxes. Next, you gotta protect yourself from yourself. So you want to invest it in index funds. Don't be risky trading on the market trying to flip that junk. Index funds, treasury bonds, safe investments. I would even say real estate, but consult with somebody who has experience in it before you just start buying stuff. Multifamily is always the best bet though. Get an LLC and transfer all of the assets that you purchase to your LLC because people are going to try to sue you, take money from you, all that stuff. And if you have a good lawyer and a good plan with this, you'll be isolated from it so they don't get nothing. You feel me? Make sure you hit that follow or subscribe button for more so I can show you